So let me tell you a great Australian story from a truly great Australian business, Penrite Oil. Started making automotive lubricant right here in Melbourne, Australia, nearly 100 years ago. So with the increasing demand for high quality lubrication made in Australia for Australian conditions, Penrite have stepped up to meet that demand. Penrite are really proud to show off this. A multi-million-dollar investment in a modernisation, upgrade and complete redesign of their primary blending and packaging facility to meet the high-quality expectations of its customers across automotive, commercial, transport, agriculture, motorcycle, marine and more, for an ever-widening range of specifications called for in a very dynamic automotive world, making this the most state-of-the-art oil facility in the country.